In this guide, I'm going to show you the best places that you can go to get industrial batteries here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you're going to want to do is actually hit play down in the bottom right. And what you're going to want to do specifically is open up the Damn Battlegrounds map and hit inspect. From here, go ahead and zoom in. And what you're looking for is symbols that have like this little industrial option on them. It kind of looks like some buildings on there. That's what the symbol looks like. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is loot these areas. Now, the top two spots that the community has had the most success with are going to be the power generation complex right here and the hydroponic dome complex right here. These areas have the highest chance of spawning in those industrial batteries here in the game, but really any map area with that industrial symbol is worth checking out. You'll find industrial batteries more frequently in these locations. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is the best spots to go if you want to get industrial batteries here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.